What's going on, YouTube fam? It's your boy. We back, and this is the day after, and I decided to do a catch, clean, and cook on a redfish and how I go about cleaning. So, what I use is a cordless bubble blade. Now, the original knives that came with the bubble blade are extremely sharp, and for this size redfish, I find that it is extremely easy to cut through the fish. So the blades that I like to use with fish this size are the normal Mr. Twister blades, like the regular electric fillet knife that you would usually get at Walmart for 20 bucks. It works with this blade. You just snap it in and do it like so. All right. So I come here. Ooh, that dude gut is flaming. Come right there. One and a half right there. Take him, flip him over. Now, some people like to cut at an angle to avoid the rib bones here. Usually, I'll cut across, but I mean, the way I was brought up, that don't work in my household. We eat everything for the most part. I mean, even on the Honduran side of my family, they even eat the head. Now, I'm not going that far into it, but I'm just letting you know that nothing goes to waste when we come to clean fish. All right, so make a cut from here this way. You're gonna run your blade along the spine, along that bone, cut at an angle. Voila. Alright, people. Got the fillets all around stuff, everything's cleaned up. Usually what I do first is some melted butter. I apply that on the fish. I find it helps your seasoning and all that stick a lot better. And of course it adds flavor. So Natalia, don't run the house, baby. Alright. There's that. Next, 985 Products Cajun Allspice Louisiana Seasoning. Now, if you're a local, you can get this at Canada's. Now, if you're not a local, you can simply get it on their website. In my description, I'll post a link to it, and you can check that out. Good people. It's kind of difficult me holding the phone and seasoning, but I'm managing. So if it looks silly on your end, I do apologize. Alright, so just added that, and you go down the road. Lemon pepper seasoning. I don't have to add too much. Garlic powder. Next, parsley. Last but not least, minced garlic. And that's it. Now, I'll do is I bake it for 17 to 18 minutes at 400. Let's get that in there. Let's start the time. All right, we'll see you when it's done. Moment of truth. That's what I'm talking about. Pressure. And there you have it, my people. Baked redfish on the half shell. Look at that. Let me get all close. Let me get detailed with it for y'all. There y'all go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that come out good. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, my people. That's gonna be it. There you have it. The finishing product. If you like videos like this, you want to see other videos like this in the future, please let me know. Comment below, like, subscribe. And I'll catch y'all next time on the water of either the kitchen now, since this isn't going to be a first time thing for me. This is pretty cool. Thank y'all so much. One love. God bless. And have a good day.